Hello guys, this is Dev. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today I'm going to show you the newest update on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has created an update whereby you can be able to edit your status. Hey, it's been a struggle without us having to update our status. Some days I would write the biggest message in my status and then find myself that I spelled some names there, and I feel like I'm not that good in drama. But now, since this update arrived, I can be able to edit. So we just enter our WhatsApp. So this is my status. So what I did, I shared a video. This one is the I shared a video. You can see, thanks Bowie to keep subscribing. So the actual video had keep subscribe. No, I was able to select this pen, then edit. Then after editing it, you can just change the caption to the right one, the one that I wanted it to be able to read. So guys, this is the newest update. Do use it.